My name is Susu. Milio is a family business. From the establishment of the furniture factory in China in 2008 to now, is one of the world's leading furniture brand manufacturers. Has been more than 16 years. Actually, we want to make furniture that will last, not furniture that people would own for a few years and then throw away. We want furniture that would stand the test of time. We start making simple and pure design. They were clean, simple designs. People always said that contemporary design. We didn't follow the traditional way to making furniture. We did things our own way. As an eco-friendly and health-conscious furniture manufacturers, we are not only concerned about the quality of our product, but also about the health and well-being of our users. Especially now, I have 4 children. We will be more dedicated to providing safe and environmentally friendly furniture device, allowing the children to grow and live in a comfortable and worry-free home environment. I feel that the current development of home furnishing leads more towards an interpretation of a beautiful lifestyle. Moreover, there is a desire for uniqueness, and the furniture trade may not just be about individual space, but about a complete way of life. From entering the home to living, to reading and even socializing, it should offer users a release from deep within their souls, encouraging more contemplation and elevation. Whether you are a retail, wholesale, interior or exterior designer, or real estate agent, you will find a wide range of high-quality furniture solutions in our showroom. Milio Furniture has always focused on customer needs, striving to create high-value and high-quality furniture for you. We are not just furniture manufacturers. We are also designer and partner in your home life. Let's work together to create a warm, comfortable, and uniquely styled home environment, making home a place for solace for the soul.